Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at another shed. This one is a 10 by 14 Lexington Cedar. 5-foot double door, 24-inch by 40 windows with trim. So this one's cedar, unlike some of the other ones I've shown you in the past, which were mostly vinyl. Got the lateral cedar on the top and the horizontal on the bottom half. Looks pretty fancy, very nice. So let's take a look through the lockable double doors. So here you go, folks. Just a basic, well-built shed. If you like that cedar look, as opposed to the vinyl, this one, like many of the others I've showed you, is ready for your own customization. You could put a small loft in on the ends, or workbenches along the sides, whatever you want. Very nice. So there you go, guys. There's the 10 by 14 Lexington Cedar with 5-foot double doors. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.